I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, OGALs. I'm Lace, your anchor for the morning announcements. The open house this year will be virtual. Elementary school will be September 22nd and middle school will be September 29th. See OGA website for more information.
Now let's see what's for lunch.
Now into Ada with the weather.
The weather for today is 89 degrees with a 60% chance of rain. And the 16th named storm of the season, Hurricane Peter, is currently by Puerto Rico. Have a good day, OGA.